Okay, now we are in chapter 13. We are still in chapter 13, simple probability. Okay, so in previous video, we already learned about probability. We say probability for event A is equal to the number of event A over number of sample space. Okay, in this formula, it refers to the one experiment. Okay, if I repeat the experiment, so according to our theory, we should get the same result. So that means, for example, I say, okay, I repeat the experiment 100 times. So, and then the probability should be probability for some events. So, for example, okay, the probability for the events should be 1 over 5. Okay, for example. So, I repeat 100 times. So, I should get in 100 times, I should get how many times for the A? Something like that, the question will ask. So that actually, because the probability is 1 over 5, so you repeat 100 times, you will also get the same outcome. According to the theory, this is according to the theory. Same outcome means the number of events and also the number of sample space should be the fraction 1 over 5 in simplest form. So that means 100 times totally. So 1 over 5, that means the event A should be 20 over 100. Then only you will get 1 over 5. Okay, so that means you should get the number of sample space considered as 100. So the number of event A will be 20. Okay, because we must have the simplest form of the fraction equal to 1 over 5, equal to the probability. Okay, so when I'm doing the repeat experiment, I should get the same result, 1 over 5. So what is the fraction I can get the same result as 1 over 5? So that means I have no choice. I must using 20 over 100. There is something like this. So that's why we have another formula saying when we repeat the experiment, okay, according to the repeat of experiment, so the probability will become number of event A over number of times you repeat the experiment. Okay, that is number of times you repeat the experiment. Actually, it's referred to your number of sample space. Okay, so the probability event A is equal to the number of events A over number of the repeat. Okay, so now we look at some problem solving. Okay, so the first question says, saying the probability getting heads. Okay, so that means it's throwing a coin, is 1 over 2. So now I repeat 100 times, throwing the coin 100 times. So how many times I can get the heads? So this is the things just now I already explained. So the probability A is equal to the number of event A over number of repeat. Okay, so that means, in another words, we can have another formula saying number of event A is equal to number of repeat multiply with the probability A. Okay, so this is come from the original formula. This is all come from the original formula. Okay, so that's why I have number of event A equal to 100 times repeat multiply with the probability getting the head. So I multiply, I get 50. Okay, so this is the first example. Then we continue to the second example. The second example also same. Always remember the probability for event A is equal to the number of event A over number of repeat. Okay, so in another words, is number of event A equal to the number of repeat multiply with the probability. So now the question is saying chosen a letter from the words mathematics and then getting over. Okay, getting over is your events A now. This is your A. Okay, then the probability given is 2/5. Okay, and then the question say the action chosen a words is repeat 75 times. So the 75 times is referred as your number of repeat. Okay, then 2/5 is a probability A. Okay, so that's why I have the working here. Number of event A is referred to getting over. Is number of repeat 75 times multiply with the probability getting over. So I multiply, I get answer 50. Okay, so this is example 2. So now we're going to see the last example, example 3. Okay, so now example 3 is pick a fruit from a box. So now the event A is getting an apples. Okay, because in the box we have apples and orange. We have two types of fruit inside the box. So they say how many times I can get the apples if I repeat the action 90 times. I repeat 90 times. So same thing, the probability event A is equal to number of event A over number of you repeat the action. Okay, so then I have the formula number of event A is equal to number of repeat multiply with the probability A. So that's why I have the working 90 number of repeat multiply with 1/3, then I get equal to 30. Okay, this all thing is according to theory. Okay, remember, this all calculation is according to theory.